With Pella, choosing the right Lifestyle Series performance package is simple. Whether it's our dual pane design with 2 panes of glass or one of our 4 triple pane performance packages, the right windows and doors can elevate your space through form and function. Pella's patented triple pane design is engineered with insulating airspace for exceptional sound control and energy efficiency. Plus, add-on integrated between the glass blinds and shades for privacy and easy cleaning. For added comfort and sound control, try our performance package. It's 71% more energy efficient and reduces 34% more noise than single-pane windows. Designing a quieter home filled with calming spaces? The sound control package combines different glass thicknesses to help disrupt sound waves at different frequencies, reducing 52% more outside noise. To keep your home warmer in the winter and cooler in summer, the Energy Efficiency Package features upgraded Advanced Comfort Low-E glass and is 83% more energy efficient. The Ultimate Performance Package provides our best combination of energy and sound performance with upgraded Advanced Comfort Low-E glass and mixed glass thicknesses. It's 79% more energy efficient and reduces 52% more sound, making Pella Lifestyle Series the #1 performing wood window and patio door for the combination of sound, energy, and value. Learn more and choose a package to make your home quieter and more comfortable at pella.com/lifestyle.